Alright guys, a little bit of a quick ride, since it's such a beautiful day out today. Thought I'd go for a ride with the rebuilt engine. Obviously, with only one hand, because, you know, I like to live dangerous. Actually, you didn't know that, but whatever. Alrighty. Alright, I think I'm just gonna mash the gas all the way since it's already warmed up. A little bit of backfiring. Should probably tune the carburetor a little more. But nah. Alright, just a little bit of a ride to show how the engine's doing. I haven't posted for a while. Sorry about that. But yeah, more posts to come. Thanks for watching.